Hello friends, have you seen lightning in the sky? How does it occur? We will see that using this model. The machine or model which you see in front of you is called as Wimshurts machine. I'll tell you in brief about it. Can you see the plastic discs here which can rotate? There are a few metallic strips on it. You see a metallic arm here. A metallic brush is attached to that arm which touches this plastic disc. Now I'll show you the working of this disc. Can you see some sparks there? How do these sparks occur? It occurs due to friction between this plastic wheel and the metallic brushes. Such electricity, we call it as static electricity. It happens due to friction between two different objects. Now in this case, there is friction between the plastic wheel and the metallic brushes. When there is friction, the electrostatic charges are generated and they travel through this metallic arm, and you can see the discharge between these two points. In a similar way, lightning occurs in the sky. There is friction between clouds and electrostatic charges are generated, and the lightning which you see is the discharge of that charges through. Now similarly, we can also show you how a tube light can be operated using this machine. Have you seen the tube light? Yes, it switches on. Why does it switches on? Due to friction, the electrostatic charges are generated and they actually travel through the tube light, and this machine actually acts as a choke which we can see in our day-to-day life.